Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Hope you are doing great, and today's class is part 8 of ratio to proportion is about fourth proportional and the properties of proportions. Let's start our class. Concept of the class is that fourth proportional. If a comma b and c are three numbers, then fourth proportional to a comma b and c is bc by a. Proof. Let x be the fourth proportional. X be the fourth proportional to a comma b and c. Then we have a comma b comma c comma x are in proportion. They are in proportion. So that x is called fourth proportional to ABC. Then we can write A is to B is as C is to X. And we know that product of extremes equal to product of means. AX is equal to BC. But we have to find X value. So transform coefficient of X to RHS. It will become division quantity. So X equal what? BC by A. Second and third term product by first term A. Example. First question. What is the fourth proportional to 189, 273 and 153? So let it be A and B and C. Fourth proportional is equal to BC, product of BC, 273 into 153 by A, that is 189. So, fourth proportional of ABC is BC by A. The same manner, fourth proportional of 189, 273, 153 is this one. Yes. Now, 9 17s are 153 and 9 21s are 189. Again, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 6 remainder, drop 3, 63, 7 9s are 63. That is 39 times of 17 by 3. 3 1s are 3 13s are. Now, what is the product of 13 and 17? Simply by observing unit digit, 7 3s is a unit digit. So 221 is the answer. But by Vedic method, we can multiply these two as follows. 13 plus 7, 20. Now consider 7 3s are 21. Balance the equation forward to 2, 20, 22. 20 plus 2, 221 is the product. Right. Second question. Homework for you people. Try yourself. Third one. Here now decimals are given. The fourth proportional to 0.12, 0.21, 8 is solution. Fourth proportional is given by product of second and third term over first term. Okay. So in the numerator we have remove the decimal places. Both are having two decimal places. That is 4 3s are 4 2s are. Again 3 1s are 3 7s are. 7 2s are 14 is the answer. Fourth one. What is the ratio between fourth proportional of 349 and mean proportional between 2 and 98? We have to find the ratio between fourth proportional of these three numbers and between mean proportional of these two numbers. Fourth proportional of 349 is 4 into 9 by 3 is to mean proportion of 2 and 98 is under root of their product. 2 of 98. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 is to. Twice of 98 is 196. Square root of 196 we know all about. Square root of 186 is 14. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. So answer is 6 is to 7. So next is properties of proportion. So far we discussed up to 4 properties in part 7 of ratio proportion. Next continuation is the fifth property, convertendo property. Okay. Next fifth property, convertendo property. If A is to B is as C is to D, then A is to A minus B is as C is to C minus D. Let us provide a proof. We are given A, B, C, D are in proportion. So this can be written as A by B equal to C by D. We know that. Let it be equation 1. Now consider if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then we have A by B equal to C by D. Subtract 1 on both sides. Subtract 1 on both sides. What we get? LCM in LHS side is B. A minus of B1s are B. In the same way, C minus D by D, we get RHS side. Let it be equation 2. Let it be equation 2. Now, dividing corresponding sides of equations 1 and 2. Dividing corresponding sides of equation 1 and 2, what we get? Equation 1, it LHS is A by B, RHS is C by D. Equation 2, LHS is A minus B by B, RHS is C minus D by D. We have to divide corresponding sides of equation 1 and 2. So, A by B whole by A minus B by B. This is LHS. And corresponding RHS, that is C by D whole by C minus D by D. B gets cancelled, D gets cancelled. Equal denominators are gets cancelled. What we have in the numerator is A and in the denominator is A minus B equal to C by C minus D. So this is expressed in terms of ratios as A is A minus B is as C is C minus D. So this is our required answer. Hence proved. Let us see one example. We know that 5 is to 4 is as 10 is to 8. If these 4 numbers are in proportion, then by convertendo property, 5 is to 5 minus 4 is proportion to 10 is to 10 minus 8. 5 is to 1 is as 10 is to 2. Yes. Next important property, sixth one, componendo and dividendo property. Statement is that if A is to B is as C is to D, then A plus B is to A minus B is as C plus D is to C minus D. Proof. Let us prove this statement. A is to B is as C is to B is nothing but A by B is equal to C by D. Now add 1 on both sides. Then we get A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. Let it be equation 1. And we are given A, B, C, D are proportion. Therefore, we can write A by B equal C by D. We can write A by B equal C by D. Subtract 1 on both sides. Subtract 1 from both sides. We get A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. Let it be equation 2. On dividing corresponding sides of equation 1 and 2, what we get? Let us see. A plus b by b whole by a minus b by b. And divide the corresponding RHS sides of 1 and 2. That is c plus d by d whole by c minus d by d. Now, d gets cut. What we have finally? A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Okay. This can be written as a plus b is to a minus b is as c plus d is to c minus d. Here see that if a by b equal to c by d, then we have a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is known as componendo dividendo property. That is numerator plus denominator. LHS side numerator is a and denominator is b. We are doing the operation sum of numerator and denominator by numerator minus denominator. The same operation performed on RHS also. Okay. By using this property, let us see one example. First question. Solution. Important question. If 4a plus 7b of 4c minus 7d equal to 4a minus 7b of 4c plus 7d, then which of the following is true? 4 options are given. Given equation can be written as 4a plus 7b. Transform this 4a minus 7b from RHS to LHS so that the same variable together in the one side, and transform 4c minus 7d to RHS side. 4c plus 7d by 4c minus 7d. So is of the form a by b equal to c by d. Now perform the componendo dividendo property, that is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator on LHS and RHS. We get 4a plus 7b, this is numerator, plus by dividendo componendo property 4a plus 7b plus 4a minus 7b by 4a plus 7b minus 4a minus 7b. So perform the same activity on RHS also. 4c plus 7d plus 4c minus 7d by 4c plus 7d minus 4c minus 7d. See, minus 7b plus 7b cancel. Now see here, 4a minus of 4a, minus 4a plus 4a cancel. The same way, plus 7d minus 7d plus 4c minus 4c gets cancelled. Finally, we have in the numerator 4a plus 4a, 8a by 7b minus of minus plus 7 plus 7, 14b equals 4c plus 4c, 8cy, 7d minus of minus plus 7d, 7 plus 7, 14d. So equal numerators on both sides, equal denominators on both sides gets cancelled. So we have a by b equal to what? C by d. This is our answer. So answer is, this is d by c. Answer is D. Next we have an important theorem on componendo dividendo property. Let us see the theorem and its proof. Theorem statement. If x equal 4ab by a plus b, then show that x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b by x minus 2b equal to 2. We have to show that value of this term is equal to 2. Let us prove. Given x equal 4ab by a plus b, x equal, this 4ab can be split as 2a into 2b whole by a plus b. Now consider the numerator 2a to LHS side. Then we get x by 2a equal to 2b by a plus b. And if we consider take 2b, numerator 2b to LHS side, we get x by 2b equal to 2a by a plus b. Okay. Now perform the componendo dividendo property here. That is numerator x plus denominator 2a by numerator x minus denominator 2a equal to numerator 2b plus denominator a plus b by numerator 2b minus of denominator a plus b. That is x plus 2a by x minus 2a equal to 2b plus b, 3b plus a by 2b minus of plus minus b, 2b minus b, that is b minus of a is minus a. This is now perform the same componendo dividendo property here. From the componendo dividendo property we get x plus 2b by x minus 2b, that is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Here also 2a plus b by 2a minus of a plus b. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. That is x plus 2b by x minus 2b equal to 2a plus a, 3a plus b by 2a minus of a is a, minus of b is minus b. But this can be written as 3a plus b of, write a minus b as b minus a by taking negative term, negative symbol as common. Okay. So a minus b can be written as b minus a by taking negative outside. Okay. Let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. Now substitute the value of x plus 2a by x minus 2a. From 1 and 2 implies substitute the value of, what is the value of x plus 2a by x minus 2a? That is 3b plus a by b minus a plus the value of x plus 2b by x minus 2b is minus of 3a plus b by b minus a. But plus of minus we get finally minus. Right. That is denominators are equal. So LCM is b minus a. Write the numerators as it is 3b plus a minus of 3a minus 3a minus of plus minus b. See 3b minus b we get 2b minus 3a plus a minus 2a by b minus a. 2 is common, take out the common term 2, we get 2 of b minus a by b minus a. That is b minus a gets cancelled. Finally answer is 2. So that when x is of the form 4ab by a plus b, then the value of x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2 by x minus 2b is 2. This is the theorem and its proof. By using this theorem, we can solve this problem. Okay. Very important for competitive exams. This is very important for competitive exams. Okay. Given x equal to 4 root 30. Root 30 can be written as root 5 into root 6. Root 5 into root 6 by root 6 plus root 5. That is 4 of root 6 into root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. See, it is of the form 4ab by a plus b. So x is of the form 4ab by a plus b. Then we have to find the value of this sum. Okay. Now it can be expressed as x plus root 24. Root 24 means root 4 into root 6. Root a into root b is root ab. So that root 24 can be split as root 4 into 6 by x minus root 4 into root 6 plus x plus 2 root 5 by x minus 2 root 5. But see, what is the root 4 value? Root 4 is nothing but 2. Here also root 4 is nothing but 2. It is of the form x plus 2a by x minus 2a plus x plus 2a by x minus 2a, where x is given by 4ab is of the form 4ab by a plus b. So by the above theorem, this value becomes to equal to 2. So answer is C. Okay. This completes the part 8 of ratio to proportion, and we have to discuss two more properties of proportion. These properties are going to be discussing next class. Okay. Thank you for watching.